Welcome. For this screencast, we are going to use Excel to complete an ANOVA, or test of means between two or more groups. In this case, we're going to compare three groups, a control and two treatment groups' growth scores. So the first thing that I need to do is resolve assumptions, checking my descriptive statistics. So I will click the Data tab, and then Data Analysis for the tool pack. Select Descriptive Statistics, and then I will choose my three groups, my control and my two treatments, and I will make sure I have labels checked in the first row, a new worksheet, and summary statistics checked. And then I will click OK. And these are my descriptive statistics for my groups. I can compare the means here, look at the medians and the modes for the groups, my standard deviations, and then here my skewness and kurtosis, which is what I'm looking for to make sure I have fairly normal distributions. And I can see all of my skewness ranges are within the acceptable range of -1 and 1, and all of my kurtosis are also within the acceptable range of -2 and 2. So from here I can go back to my original data set and I can perform the ANOVA. To perform the ANOVA, I click my Data tab, my Data Analysis Tool Pack, and I select ANOVA Single Factor, because I'm comparing them on a single factor here. Click OK, and I will select my three groups to be compared, make sure my labels are checked in the first row, and a new output sheet, and then I click OK. And here is the result of my ANOVA. I can see here the different averages for my groups, my means for the groups. I can see that treatment group 1 had a higher mean than treatment group 2 in the control. To determine if these are statistically significant, I need to look at my F statistic. So my F statistic is down here, and I can see my F is 5.43, and the p-value for this particular F is 0.007, which means it is above the alpha of 0.05, and in this case, the differences are statistically significant between the control and the two treatment groups. You can find an example of a data table using APA and Canvas to report in your paper.